Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole like a newborn, to speak it like a native. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 12 vowel sounds of Haitian Creole. Only 12. We've divided them into 6 monophthongs, meaning made up of one sound, one vowel sounds, and 6 diphthongs made up of 2 sounds, right? So the symbols in red are the actual International Phonetic Alphabet symbols, IPA symbols, and the ones in black are the actual letters that you use when you read and write those sounds. All right, so the numbers, we've added them as part of our chart that we've created for the 32 sounds of Haitian Creole. So we're focusing on the 12 vowel sounds today. So number 1, A. Number 2, E. Number 3, E. Number 4, I. Number 5, O. Number 6, O. So for the diphthongs, number 7, on. That's the symbol, right? In the IPA, on. Number 8, in. Number 9, on. Number 10, ou. Number 11, un. And number 12, oui. Oui, like when you say 8, 8. All right? Oui. These are the 12 vowel sounds in Haitian Creole. I know that some purists might find issues with my calling those 6 vowels diphthongs, but I find it quite useful to distinguish them from the single sounding vowels, and for practical purposes also. Now it's time to apply them. Here we go. Letter A, IPA sound A. T-A, ta, which means late. S-A, sa, which means this. P-A, pa, which is negative indicator. Example, mwen pa content, mwen pa parler créole. Letter A, IPA sound A. T-A-T, which means tea. S-A-C, which means this is. C'est moi, this is me. D-A-D, which means two. Letter E, IPA sound E. T-E-T, which means earth, la terre, the earth. S-E-C, which means sister. C'est moi, that means my sister. P-E-P, which means priest or to be afraid. Moi pe, that means I'm afraid. Moi c'est yon pe, I am a priest. Letter E, but we chose to add N because we found that more useful. So we're going to use in, all right? IPA sound is E, but with the N, that makes in. So, M in, min, which is a borrowed word from English, but written in Haitian Creole with M and I, N, all right? Min. L in, lean, another borrowed word, like lean management. You would write that L, I-N, or if you want to say it in Haitian Creole, L-I-N, lean. And the last one, V-in, vin, which is a short form of vini, vin prend, vin prend-li. Yeah, it's come get it. Letter O, IPA sound O, a little shorter than the English O. All right, O. T-O, to, which means early. S-O, so, which means stamp. P-O, po, which means pot. Letter O, IPA sound O. T-O, to, which means fault. B-O, bo, which means side. Kiboye, which side are you on? M-O, mo, which means deaf. Now it's time for the diphthongs. Letters A, N. IPA sound, T, ta, which means time. B, ba, which means bench. V, vent, which means wind. Remember, you should never see it like V-A-N. You have to see it as V-A, vent. Alright, letters A, N, or E-N in English, but Haitian Creole, A, N, and IP sound, N, a little more nasal than This is N, okay? Z, N, zin, which is gossip. M, N, me, which means hand. Remember, you should never pronounce the N or M at the end of words the way you do it in English. Right? It's not that resounding. Like you say, when you see M-E-N, you're going to say men. But in Haitian Creole, it's me. It stops abruptly. Me. Like P-E-N is not pen, it's pen. Alright? Me, pen. Be careful. P-N, pen, which means bread. You have to practice it so that you can switch from English to Haitian Creole without any problem. Letters O-N, or I should say O-N for Haitian Creole. And the sound, IP sound, on. T, on, ton, which means tone. B, on, bon, which means good. D, on, don, which means gift. Letters O-U, IPA sound, ou. CH ou bien ch ou chou. Darling, M ou mou. Soft, D ou do. Kind. Letters O-U-N, IPA sound, un. That's where the linguist might have issues with me calling them diphthongs, but we close our eyes on these exceptions for practical purposes. Let's put it, another way to put it is non-single sounding vowels, all right? Okay, M-un, mun, which means person. Y-un, yun, which means one, only one. Z-un, zun, in the word zuzun, like gros zuzun, which is bougie. People that are kind of bougie. And the last vowel sound is letters U-I or U-E, high P sound, ui. Alright, the first one, ui plus T gives you huit, 8. Nothing by itself, it's ui. Some people translate that for we, but we think WI is better, but some people use that for we. They write it UI for yes. And ka, ui, cuit. However, we add in that word cuit means cooked. Alright, something that is cooked. Believe it or not, in less than 10 minutes, we've reviewed all the 12 vowel sounds of Haitian Creole. I hope you liked it. Keep on practicing. Merci en pile. Nawe prochaine fois. Keep on practicing. Thank you.